Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about ANSO Scholarship for Talented Students 2024 call for application to study at UCAS. So it's University of Chinese Academy of Sciences and they are providing ANSO Scholarship. We can take a look. Coverage and duration of the scholarship will be tuition waiver. You don't need to pay the tuition fee for master students, and monthly stipend for PhD student will be 6,000 to 7,000 per month, and also the for master student stipend is 3,000 per month up to 36 months. Health insurance and application fee waiver, international travel allowance from awardees home country to China, one-time visa resident permanent allowance. So they are providing good amount of coverage in scholarship. We can also take a look their conditions that for ANSO PhD scholarship awardees, the above Atom 1 to Atom 4 will be covered by UCAS and Atom 5-6 will be covered by TAWAS. For other ANSO scholarship awardees, all of the above will be covered by UCAS. The allowance standards and procedure for Atom 5 and Atom 6 should comply with the rules of sponsor. Any scholarship awardee on site in China, the host country, and the time of the application will not be eligible for any travel subsidy. All awardees are required to finish centralized training in Chinese language, Chinese culture, and all required credit as well as practical research and completion of degree thesis at college schools of UCAS institutes. Otherwise, your scholarship can be terminated. Discontinuity of his/her master's study being provided with certificate of attendance for the period of the study undertaken in China, but not formal master's degree. So you need to complete your master's degree on time. Otherwise, they will just provide you attendance certificate and will not provide you the degree. Any PhD awardee who failed qualification test or annual assessment will face the consequences: termination of the scholarship, discontinuity of the doctoral study, being provided with a certificate of attendance for the period of the study undertaken in China, but not a formal doctoral degree. For eligibility, you should be non-citizen of eligible applicant should not hold Chinese citizenship with a valid passport friendly to China and abandoning the law and decrees of China, UCAS rules and regulations. Eligible applicant should be proficient in English or Chinese. For master's program, applicant should be born after 1st January 1994, and for PhD program, applicant should be born after 1st January 1986. Meet the admission criteria for UCAS international students. Please refer to the call here. If you are currently pursuing master's degree at any institution of China, you are not eligible for master program of this scholarship. If you are currently pursuing a doctoral degree at any university in China, you are not eligible for PhD program for this scholarship. Application procedure will be the 2024 ANSO scholarship is open for application on 20th October 2023. The exact date might be slightly different for the UCAS ANSO scholarship. Please check the website for detail. Deadline for applicants and referees will be 15th February 2024. You can see the online application here. You can click the link here. Here you need to first register and then log in and then submit your application. If you will have any question related to the scholarship, you can ask me in the comment section. I will respond to your queries. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye.